When it comes to dessert, are you more of a cake or pie lover? Personally, I tend to lean more towards cakes. However, as the weather warms up and all the fresh fruit comes into season, my taste buds start craving pie. Anything from lattice-topped fruit pies to light and creamy ones, like the one we're making today. And talk about easy. We start by baking a graham cracker pie crust in a deep dish pie plate. While that cools for a few minutes, we mix together a package of banana cream pie filling with a little milk. After this thickens up, we pour this into our cooled pie crust. On top of that goes some whipped topping, and we cover it with all sorts of fresh fruit, everything from bananas to berries. After you sprinkle the top with some graham cracker crumbs and let it chill, it's ready to serve. With each bite, you get the creaminess of the filling, the crunch of the crust, and the freshness of the fruit. To get the recipe for what we call our fruit medley cream pie, all you have to do is visit our website.
You know, I've always wanted to smash a pie at someone's face.
Well, you're not doing it with this one or this one, cuz, ooh, it's so good.